Hi guys, today we are making peanut butter cups. So you want a small microwavable bowl and you want to put in a tablespoon of coconut oil and then a bag of chocolate chips. Milk or dark, it's entirely up to you. And then you want to put it in the microwave for 30-second intervals. Remove the bowl, stir, and then put it back in the microwave until it's all melted and smooth. Then line a muffin tin with some muffin liners, and then you want to pour the melted chocolate into the liner. And then you can see I'm tapping the tray onto the table to get it to be more evenly coated on the bottom. And then you want to go ahead and pop that in the freezer so that the base can set. And then we can get started on making the peanut butter mixture. So you want to get a bowl and you want to put in a 1/3 cup of smooth peanut butter. I've not tried it with crunchy. I'm not sure how it would work crunchy, but definitely try it with smooth. And then you want to put in 1/2 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of syrup, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And then you just want to mix it all in the bowl until the peanut butter mixture is smooth and creamy. Then you want to take the muffin tin out of the freezer and scoop in the mixture on top of the chocolate. And then you pour what's left of the melted chocolate on top of the peanut butter layer. And then you want to return the tin into the freezer for about 30 minutes to get the whole thing to set. And then it takes about 2-3 minutes before it's edible because you want it to sort of melt a little bit. So yeah, give these a try and let me know how much you enjoyed them. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.